Welcome to day 3 of the Southern Manufacturing Show. Really excited today. If we can build on yesterday, it's going to be an absolutely fantastic day. So digital transformation has been a hot topic today. Many of the manufacturers visit us with different use cases, all embedded in the fact that they want to drive more product knowledge to the end user, for sales, for product support, and just for general marketing. So today we've been challenged across the board for a number of different use cases, and what we found is each module that we can provide can be cut and sliced in a different way. That means one manufacturer can use a selector to create a particular product flow, another can use a selector to find a particular application. In this way we can take the power of that mobile, the power of information in the pocket, and actually realise the product's value for that particular customer. Once we move into a direct connection where the product is connecting to the mobile app, we're bringing in Bluetooth technology. As we extend to IoT and cloud data, a new pressure comes upon us where product registration and security of that registration need to be in play, and that's where our new modules for connectivity will come into play. We're wrapping up end of day 3 at the Southern Manufacturing Show. It's been an absolute blast, and we look forward to seeing you at the next one.